What is going on, guys? Today's video will be me showing you my gaming setup 2018. I did a few other setups on my other channels. They're not as good as this one, so I just wanted to make a video of this. Like I'm always going to say in all my videos, make sure to click that like button on all my videos. Subscribe, as it will give me some really good support in my other videos. Turn notifications on so you know exactly when I'm posting, and comment down below what you want me to do in any other videos. So I'm not going to say anything else, just going to get straight into the setup. See you in a minute.